Hi, I'm Jim Odom. I'm the founder and president of PreSonus Audio Electronics here in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. We could never have anticipated the effect that StudioLive had on the digital mixer market. The StudioLive was the first affordable product that had an ecosystem behind it. So the StudioLive 1642 came out. Within 6 months, we introduced iPad control of that mixer, and that was the very first. That whole environment is what created the modern mixer market right now that we're all enjoying. With that platform now, we're able to give you a whole new array of processors. We can do vintage modeling. We can do beautiful reverbs. We can also do routing via networks and things like that. In the new StudioLive products, we kind of reinvented the whole parameter control area of the product. You also have a touchscreen that works together with this new sort of configurable fat channel. And I think the workflow in general is going to be a game changer. It's customizable. You're not fixed to one set of controls. You can create a fat channel that works the way you want it to work, and it's going to sound gorgeous. I'm most proud of the combination of features that we invented to put in this product, and the workflow as well. The workflow of one-to-one motorized faders for 32 channels of inputs. And the ease of switching between multiple scenes and multiple levels of workflow.
I'm Ray Tanzen. I'm a product manager here at PreSonus, working on our digital mixers. With the StudioLive 32, we aim to completely leapfrog anything that's out on the market today. We started by taking a look at what our customers really loved about what it means to be a StudioLive mixer. And we looked at all the other mixers that are on the market, high-end mixers. We spent time sitting behind mix engineers, everything from big arena shows to volunteers at a little 200-person church, to see how people worked. And then through research with our engineering team, figure out ways we could utilize some new technologies that are available today to encapsulate the StudioLive experience for new customers in a way that's going to bring solutions to them that are unimaginable 5 years ago. The StudioLive experience, I didn't even know what that necessarily meant. So I went to our current StudioLive customers to see, what is it that you like about StudioLive? What does StudioLive mean to you? And what I found out is the primary thing that StudioLive is ease of use. That, to us, kind of was the cornerstone when we set out to design the Series 3, was make it easy to use, easy to learn, and sound great.
My name is Ryan Roden, and I'm a hardware engineer here at PreSonus. I was the lead hardware engineer on the StudioLive 32 project. Working on the StudioLive 32 has been a really great experience. We've always designed really good mixers here at PreSonus, but for this particular project, we were able to take the entire mixer platform from the ground up, totally rethink how we do everything, come up with an entirely new mixing platform. So we enhanced the user experience by including the same great sounding audio that all of our mixers have. We also added a ton of processing in this model. And the user experience is going to be really great with the moving faders, colored display. For the analog audio path on this particular product, we wanted to have the shortest, cleanest, most efficient path from the XLR connector all the way to the converter. So what we did is we actually designed this analog audio path with no cables. That allows us to get lower distortion, lower interference, and a much cleaner signal overall. So we decided to put in the remote X-Max preamp. This is the same preamp that's in the Studio 192 interface, as well as the RM mixers. Now we have digital control over it, which allows you to recall preamp settings, as well as control them over iPads, network, etc. The processor architecture in the StudioLive 32 is the best processor architecture that we've ever designed here at PreSonus for a mixer. The StudioLive 32 has been one of the most exciting projects I've ever worked on. All of the new features, all of the new design elements, I really can't wait for customers to get their hands on this product.
My name is Brian Audifred. I am the R&D engineering manager. It is my job to realize the vision of product management. So the StudioLive 32 is a very unique opportunity. Engineers don't get so many chances to take a great product and generate a brand new product where you have the opportunity to look at every possible subsystem, every bit of functionality and just make it better. We took everything that was great, everything customers liked about the previous generation, and we asked ourselves, how can we make it better? This generation of StudioLive mixers has some notable new features. Moving faders, a graphical touchscreen LCD that we're very, very proud of. We've also added some advanced audio networking to this mixer and USB transport functionality that has no equal in the market currently. We've made absolutely no compromises in the audio path. We've come up with unique mechanisms of user interface and control we think are going to be very convenient and accepted and well loved, and quite honestly, we expect a lot of competitors to follow our lead with this mixer.
We have engineers in the United States, we have engineers in Germany, engineers in Canada that worked brilliantly to bring these products to market. We have some of the most talented programmers in the industry, and I'm sure of that. We also have some of the most talented hardware guys and mechanical designers. And the level of passion that went into this product is phenomenal. We're proud of it.